Hey everyone! Welcome back to the English Tales channel. In today's video, we delve into the crucial topic of thinking in English. Translating in your head can be incredibly frustrating and slow down your ability to speak English fluently. However, there are effective steps you can take to stop translating and start thinking directly in English, which will significantly improve your fluency. This video provides various tips and strategies to help you achieve this goal and enhance your fluency, making it a perfect objective to start 2024 with. First, consider why you want to think in English. Whether it's to participate more easily in conversations or to feel more confident when speaking, having a clear reason can motivate you to succeed. A good starting point is to begin simply by naming objects around you in English. When I was learning German, I had to focus on articles like der, die, and das, but in English, you can concentrate on pronunciation. This focus on pronunciation is why I started my YouTube channel and academy, to emphasize correct pronunciation from the beginning, as it's essential for effective communication. As you name objects, pay attention to how they are pronounced. If you're unsure, listen to native speakers or use resources like EngEase to hear words in context. This simple practice of naming objects is an effective first step. Once you are comfortable with naming objects, move on to creating simple sentences. Describe your surroundings in English, such as "this chair is comfy," or "my desk is messy." Using an English-only dictionary to look up words you don't know helps build your vocabulary in context and reinforces learning. Having small conversations with yourself in English is another excellent method to practice. This approach allows you to speak without pressure and build confidence. I used to do this when learning Spanish, and it was incredibly beneficial. Set aside a few minutes each day for these mini conversations and observe your progress over time. Changing one aspect of your daily routine to English, such as your calendar, to-do lists, or Facebook settings, helps immerse you in the language. Narrating your actions in English while performing everyday tasks, like getting dressed or cooking, further reinforces this immersion. Additionally, learning how to do something new entirely in English, such as a recipe or a craft project, using only English resources can make the learning process enjoyable and effective. Keeping track of your daily English practice is crucial. Write down what you did each day to stay motivated and see your progress. Finally, recap your day in English before you fall asleep. This habit reinforces what you've learned and can even lead to dreaming in English, further embedding the language in your mind. What strategies have you used to build a consistent English practice? Share your tips in the comments. Which of these ideas are you most excited to try? Let me know. Be sure to watch the next video for tips on increasing your vocabulary. And don't forget to subscribe with notifications for more helpful content. Thanks so much for watching the English Tales video.